Hello future doctors, how are you doing? Now we are going to discuss another types of problem, that topic name having that how we can check that any formula is dimensionally correct or not. So that types of problem we are going to discuss, and how we can find the solution and how we can recognize that right answer. You can see on the screen. First question: from the dimensional consideration, which of the following equation is correct? Option A is given, t is equal to 2 pi root r cube upon gm. Option B, t is equal to 2 pi root over gm upon r cube. Option C, t is equal to 2 pi root over gm upon r square. Option D is given, t is equal to 2 pi root r square upon gm. We need to check this formula dimensionally correct or not. So what is the question having? You can see here there is a given condition, some option given. Okay, A, B, C, D option given. We need to find that correct answer. So see, option A is equal to what given? T is equal to 2 pi root r cube upon gm, and option B is there, t is equal to 2 pi root gm upon r cube, and option C, t is equal to 2 pi root gm upon r square, and option D, t is equal to 2 pi root r square upon gm. We need to find any one answer that is a dimensionally correct. So how many options having here that is a dimensionally correct, we need to find. Okay, so now we can check. Let us see solution. For example, we are taking option A, t is equal to 2 pi root r cube upon gm. Is it okay or not? 2 pi is a constant having. If we are going to write that dimension of that 2 pi, it means this is a dimensionless. Why? Because this is a constant value. Okay, but they are having gm, here having r cube. So we know one thing, that we know one very small formula, gm basically is equal to small g r square. This formula we know very well. We need to apply this formula here. So if we are going to apply, so we can solve. T is equal to 2 pi root r cube upon g r square. So square here will cancel. So you can write it, t is equal to 2 pi root r by g. So g is a acceleration due to gravity. R is a radius, either distance we can consider. Okay, so now if we are going to place the dimensionally formula, so what we can write, dimension of t is equal to, we can write 2 pi, no need to write if we are going to write the dimension. Okay, so here we can write dimension of that r and dimension of that g. Is it okay or not? So we can write here t is equal to, we can write here what we can write, L divided by what we can write here, tell me. So LT minus 2. Is it okay or not? So now T is equal to, so here L will cancel. So T minus 2 will come upside, so it will be T square. So square will cancel with that root. So what you will get, T is equal to, here you will get also T. It means left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So option A is a correct answer of this question. So if you are going to check this one, this one, this one, so you can check. Okay, you will not get the equal. You can try. This is your duty. You please try. And you also try to solve similar question. You try to search in NCERT, either previous year question paper, either another places. You search and try to solve 4 to 5 question. Then you will come under the practice. Okay. After this, we are going to discuss next problem. So you can see on the screen. Next question having A highly rigid cubical block capital A of small mass capital M and side capital L is fixed rigidly onto another cubical block capital B of the same dimensions and of low modulus of rigidity eta, such that the lower face of A completely covers the upper face of B, capital B. The lower face of capital B is rigidly held on a horizontal surface. Okay. A small force capital F is applied perpendicular to one of the side faces of capital A. After the force is withdrawn, block A executes small oscillations, the time period of which is given. So time period which is given, there is a given option A 2 pi root m eta upon capital L, option B 2 pi root L upon m eta, option C 2 pi root ml upon eta, option D 2 pi root eta L. So there is also given 4 option. We need to check dimensionally which option is correct. So you can draw the diagram also. The diagram I am not drawing because only just saving the time. But according to this concept, you need to check which formula is correct. So now there is a given some again given there is a option A is given here 2 pi root m eta divided by L. Option B 2 pi root L over m eta, option C 2 pi root ml upon eta, and option D 2 pi root m upon eta L. So there is a given 4 option. In this 4 option we need to check which is a correct answer, which is a correct option. Okay, so see what is given here according to the question. Given that according to the question, mass given, mass, small mass given as a capital M, and next eta is given, it is a coefficient of rigidity. So it is a coefficient of rigidity. Is it okay? Coefficient of rigidity. You know very well, if we are going to write the dimension formula of the coefficient of rigidity, it means eta. So you can write here m L minus 1 T minus 2, and next is given L, length. So length, and if you are going to write the dimensional formula of the length, so you can write like this in capital bracket, and here mass also you can write dimensionally like this. Is it okay or not? Pakka na? Okay. So now if suppose that we are going to check this all things, we are going to place this value and we are going to check, so which option we can get. Say they are asking the time period. So if time period situation, it means all we can write t is equal to like this. So we need to check this one. So see, if suppose that I am getting any formula, let us consider what I am getting, because I already solved this thing, so I know very well. If suppose that option D we are going to check, so here is a written 2 pi, and here having that m over, and here eta L. So which option is giving that time period? Okay, so if suppose that we are going to place, so 2 pi, no need to write dimensional formula of 2 pi, so you can place here m means this is a capital M dimensionally, eta, so m L t minus ml minus 1 t minus 2, very good, and L you can write like this L. Is it okay? So here you know very well m will cancel. Okay, and L minus 1 L, it will be also cancel. So 1 upon t minus 2. Is it okay? T will come upside, so it will come t square. So square will cancel with this root. So finally we will get t. It means option D is the correct answer of this question. Is it okay? Any doubt or not? Actually, you please try to solve similar question and like this question also. Your discipline and your consistency will make you perfect. So you please focus there. After this, I will share some question also. You please try to solve that question and you send to me on my WhatsApp number and you ask to me if you are facing any problems. Nowadays, I am just solving some questions only. Slowly, I will increase the numbers of questions. Then you will get more profit.